This year alone in 2025, I've actually lost $3,000 dropshipping dresses. Yes, dresses, 3K. Bro, that's crazy. Like when I'm thinking about it, that's a lot of money. And you're probably wondering, yo, man, where's the stats? Show me everything. I want to see it. And bro, I'm gonna show you guys everything. Everything I can show you, I'm gonna show you. Like I'm not gatekeeping on this. Except for I can't show you the store because I've rebranded that whole store and I can't show you how the store look like. So like that's kind of like my bad. But I'm pretty sure if you go into like my previous videos, I think I showed you guys what the stores look like. And they're kind of almost all look the same almost. So I'm gonna show you guys everything from the ads, dashboard, like that's everything I can. So let's get right into it. This year has been kind of crazy. Like I've been jumping through hoops for so many little things. I've got shiny object syndrome so many times when I got told not to. I got told, hey, stick in this one industry and like don't go to somewhere else because like, man, you're gonna have to relearn everything. And I still did it. I had to do it the hard way. Like when I tell you I've been through everything, bro, I've done drop shipping. First, I've done drop shipping. I did Facebook drop shipping. I did organic. I also ran a business. Like I actually ran like an actual business. Like you know what I mean? Like an actual online business. Like a whole like physical store and shit. You know what I mean? And I've also done clipping. And surprisingly, the clipping page went kind of good. But like it kind of slowed down a little bit. You know what I mean? It kind of slowed down. But this is about dropshipping right here. So I'm gonna tell you guys everything. So yeah, this year, like I said earlier, this year alone, I've actually lost $3,000 dropshipping dresses. So here's everything, and here's everything right here. Yo, I'm actually gonna blur a couple things so you guys don't see everything. Like, but it's only gonna be over here. As y'all can see, my account already got restricted. Like, is like I mean, like, what do you expect? You know what I mean? Like, I tried some crazy and it didn't happen. But yo, yeah, this is literally everything from Hazel, Nora, Split, Lydia Mesh, Violet Back. Like, bro, like that's dresses, only dresses on dresses. So let's go on the latest one. This was the Hazel dress. I think this is the one that got me banned. It's as simple as this. It's just like a UGC, that's it. Like that's all I did right there. Then I made a little bit of copy right over here. I can't go too far because it shows my latest brand. And like I'm not ready to like release this to the public yet. Because I just rebranded this. You know what I mean? So as you can see, this is all I did out of that, and that was good. So let's see where it goes. Let's see where it went. So the one that actually made me the most money was, as y'all can see right over here. Damn. I believe it was an off-shoulder dress, but nah, I'm pretty sure it was the polka. But for some reason, I don't know why Meta is tripping, but I could have sworn I got at least 30 orders from it. But damn, I think Meta is tripping right now, or I might have deleted one. But it was between the Meta and the off shoulder, because those ones went kind of crazy. I ain't gonna lie with you. Let me show you guys how they look like. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the off shoulder one. $859, $66 per purchase. Like, I had to kill it because it wasn't going crazy. I couldn't make it go any more crazier. You know what I mean? But let me show you guys my ads. Like I said, like earlier, like my ads were basically all the same, like dead ass. Here we go. This was my ad. This was my old store right over here, as I can see, Vestix. And here's my copy, and here's my simple ad copy. Like that's everything. So let's actually go into. I think this is like an image ad for some reason. I don't remember running image ads, but let's go into my copies, and like that ads just straight simple. Like this dress also went pretty good as well. This one did not do shit. Like this one was really bad. This one did really good. That's the striped dress right here. Everybody wanted it. Like for the summer, guys, try that whole run it. Like, cause I know for a fact people are gonna buy it. Like that. I did this test on it, and I just couldn't. I did not know that know how to like improve my ads to go crazy on it. Cause I know I could have ran like at least a 1K, probably like a 10K day on it, but I couldn't do it. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know why I can't show you guys my ads. Oh, here they are. There you guys go. This is my whole copy right over here, and this was that I just added. Like it was that simple. This one did really good too. Everybody really wanted it, especially the black one. This one did really good. So trust me on that. That was a banger right there. That actually gave me a lot of sales on it. Like I said, this one had 13 purchases, and this one over here had 14. I don't know which one this one is though. This one was a split dress right here.
This dress,
See?
girls, when I say it gives you such
Easy UGC right there. But perfect. I think I could have went even crazier. But I don't know. I did not know what I was doing, bro. Like, deadass, look at this one right here. Look. This is my main one. 13 purchases right there, right? $28 per purchase. But like, cause I kept on spending more and more. I spent like $300 on this hoe. And if y'all looking at my metrics, bro, my metrics are actually not bad. Like, look how low my CPC was. My click-through rate was kind of okay, but my CPMs was only 58. With a ROAS of 1.12, it costed me about like 10, 50. Now I think this one was like $13 to ship. So like, I was making some good money. I think I was spending like, I think I was charging like $45, $50 on it and everything. And like, it was low key selling. I ain't gonna lie, it was selling. But for some reason, I couldn't convert any higher, so I had to move on to my next product. Like, but it did good. It did its thing. Like every single thing I would test out, I would get something. I would get good metrics behind it. Like, as y'all can see, my metrics most of the time they were pretty good. 137, 32 right here, 66, 170. I don't know what that is. 101, like on average, that's the one that did 13, right? Then this one over here, 132 again, like, you see what I mean? And this is like, I tested it once. I think I tested it 2 times. And I spent, yeah. But as you can see right over here, I had 411 total add to carts. Checkouts initiated 125, purchases 38. Now let's actually move on to my Shopify. And this is my new Shopify right here. But like, technically, like, is my rebranded one. So like, hey, I might have to blur out my name. On my Shopify dashboard for last year alone, I made a gross sales of $2,134.16. The reason why is $2,000 there and $1,800 like over time is because most of the time I just kind of canceled the orders because I was moving on to a new product. Should I have done that? I don't think I should have done that. I should have like proceeded to send the product out, because regardless, I was keeping the product in-house. You know what I mean? Like, I was going to keep the product over there. But as you can see, my average order was 47. My sessions, 275, 139, 43. Like, as you can see, I mean, there's no point in me refreshing because like, it's not that crazy of numbers, as you can see. But, yeah. As you can see, yeah, that was my total years. I've actually fulfilled 41. I had 44 total orders. 3 orders, I guess, I canceled off. And I'm pretty sure there were some good money orders as well. Now, let's actually do the calculations. But then again, you gotta remember, I still had to pay for shipping for everything too. So that also adds up. But like, honestly, I can't really think of how much it was. So I'm gonna guesstimate, I guess. If I had to guess, most of the time I was spending, averaging like $15. I think on average $15 per dress or so. So let's do 15 times what, 41? $615 extra. See what I mean by like that 3K? So 615 extra added by profit was 18, 12. So in total, I am down $1,400 from 2025 alone. And that does not include Shopify. I had to pay for Shopify too. That's like $40 a month. And I think I was only active like at least like 4 months out of the year, honestly, because I just kept on moving around. Like I told you earlier, I kept on moving around, so my things aren't that fully accurate. You know what I mean? Like as you can see over here, I went from January to May, then I kind of stopped. This is when I was like moving around, doing different industries and everything like that, as y'all could see. Like, you know what I mean? Like March, 734, 524, 167. The summer months, man, sell them dresses, bro. Trust me, guys, sell them dresses. Like, them Johns actually do work. Like, I don't know, like, I don't think people be like really advertising it. But, hey, man, they actually do work, as y'all can see. But I've returned a lot of stuff, though. 251, 64 discounts. I think if I did it now, I think I can do a little bit better, but maybe, you know what? During the summer, I'll actually sell something, and I'm gonna make it live, and y'all can actually see how it is We could probably like we're gonna try running that up together. You know what I mean? Like we're gonna run it up. So yeah. So in total, I'm actually down $1,468 plus the Shopify. If I added that to it, that'll be like what? That's like $40 a month. I think I did the first 3 months free, 2 months over here, so 80. Yeah, probably like just 80, I guess. So I guess for 1550 for the whole month, that's how much I'm down. Which is not crazy bad because technically I was only active for about 5 months. Yeah. No, about literally I've only been active for 4 months for $1,500. That's not that bad. That's a net loss of $387 per month, which is not crazy bad if you think about it, honestly. But yeah, man, yo, those are my numbers for last year, 2025. As you can see, we did not do that good, but we did okay. A net loss of $387 or $1,500 for 4 months. I don't know why I put 4 months of work. So this year alone, I'm going to run it up. Like no more switching industries, no more doing this. I'm gonna be consistent, bro. Y'all gonna see me on your timelines. I'm gonna be going crazy. We're gonna lock in this year. So I need y'all to come with me, lock in with me. We're gonna all lock in as a community and go crazy this year. Like I want to see everybody doing good. I want the whole circle eating. You know what I mean, bro? I'm trying to get that trip to Miami in. Like I haven't been to Miami yet. I've been living in the States for how long and I've not been to Miami? But I can't go there until I've actually made it. That it only makes sense that way. But hey, man, appreciate you guys for watching, man. Links in the description if you want to join the Discord and everything like that. I don't know what I'm doing the Discord yet, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Y'all feel me? Like y'all can get the early access in, but hey, that's kind of how it starts. But hey, man, appreciate you guys watching, man. I'll see you guys in the next video coming up real soon because I'm not consistent, 1 video per week. But yeah.
The one that feel comfortable until I'm reminding you who you think that you lying to. It's the shit that we rhyme to.